If that came out, I didn't see it.
That came out.
I thought it did. No icing! I ain't got time to skate all the way down to that end of the ice and this end of the ice. What do you think I am, Superman? Here goes Sam Witt, folks. This is my favorite player right here. Man, I should have called you on the penalty and said no shot. Man, I kind of wish I was on the swim team right now. I don't think it went over, did it?
Here you go.
Okay, I just had to call one in. No goal! No goal! Guys, I gotta call them the way they see them. Just the way. Actually, I thought it was in, but on my second bounce, the second